Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 7 hard reset not working. Smartphones offer numerous benefits, but they may occasionally encounter issues. And your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus is no exception, which may be frozen, not turning on or stuck at white or black screen. While doing a hard reset may prove effective in solving these issues, it is still possible for errors to occur and iPhone 7 won't allow you to hard reset. Possible culprits include corruption from the boot-up process, outdated operating system, stuck or damaged buttons, and so on. Fortunately, here are some simple ways to fix the problems and get your phone working properly again. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Check if you hard reset the device correctly. Many users probably have no idea how to do a hard reset on iPhone 7 properly. So, let's walk through the correct way first before trying other troubleshooting steps. Make sure to remove the phone case if any and the phone battery has enough power. Alright, on your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the sleep/wake button and volume down button together for around 10 seconds. When the screen turns black and then switches back on to display the Apple logo, release both buttons. Wait until the device boots up completely and displays the lock screen. If you find the phone is still unresponsive, move to the next solution. Step 2. Install the latest iOS into your iPhone 7. You could be experiencing a hard reset not working on iPhone 7 issue due to the obsolete OS. So, attempt to upgrade the system on your device. We'll show you how to update the iOS using a computer, which is workable even when the device is unresponsive or malfunctioning. Before we start, prepare a Windows computer or a Mac. Download and install the latest version of iTunes, Apple Devices app or Finder. Find a USB cable that comes with your iPhone 7 or certified by Apple. Once you're ready, follow these steps to solve the problem when iPhone 7 won't hard reset. Run the program on the computer and connect your device to it. Next, do a series of button combination presses to let your phone enter recovery mode. It's an official way to let the computer contact your phone when it's not responding and you can't perform a hard reset. Alright, now, press and hold both the power button and volume down button together for a few seconds. When a laptop and a cable icon appears with a black screen, let go of both buttons and you've entered the recovery mode. Keep your phone connected to the computer and look at the software window. It should pop up a dialog box asking whether you'd like to update or restore the phone. Just click the update option and complete all the on-screen instructions that are left. Then, all you need to do is to wait for the iOS upgrade process to finish. Your iPhone 7 will automatically restart once the update ends. See if the problem is solved and your iPhone 7 can be hard reset now. Step 3. Restore iPhone 7 to its factory defaults. If you've gotten this far and nothing works to fix when an iPhone 7 hard reset doesn't work, factory reset is your last step to try before heading to the repair store. We'll introduce 2 ways to restore your device to its factory settings. The first way is to enter recovery mode and use a computer. The process is basically the same as the way to do an update through recovery mode. Just connect your iPhone 7 to the computer and launch iTunes, Finder or Apple Devices app. Then, press and hold both the power button and volume down button together until the restore screen appears and the phone goes into recovery mode. Lay down the phone, then go to the computer to click the restore button. Complete the following on-screen instructions to trigger the restore process. Wait patiently, and hope the iPhone 7 hard reset not working issue is fixed after the restore. Step 4. Log into iCloud via a browser to erase the phone. Another way to erase everything on your iPhone 7 is to apply iCloud's Find My option. This method can allow you to fix the issue when you can't hard reset iPhone 7 with buttons. Here's how to do that. On a tablet, another phone or a computer, open your favorite browser and go to iCloud.com. Key in the Apple ID and password that's linked to your iPhone 7 to log in. Enter the 2-factor verification code if needed, which will show up at your another Apple device that's linked with the same Apple account on your iPhone 7. Once logged in, select the Find iPhone icon from the page. Next, select your iPhone 7's name from the devices list. In the operation menu, choose Erase this device. To confirm, Hit the erase option again and it'll automatically start erasing everything on the phone. Hope you now can fix the issue that iPhone 7 hard reset is not working. That's all for how to fix hard reset not working on iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.